Hello. How are you? In all seriousness, how are you? Are you happy? Do you feel a sense of inner peace? Do you truly enjoy your job or career choice? Are you looking for something more fulfilling and rewarding, both spiritually and financially? Do you want the good news or the good news? The good news is that you can make a change. Seriously, you have the ability, and yes, even the time, to change your life for the better. And there's even more good news. We have a proven, step-by-step success system available for you. Listen, the only difference between you and others who are where you want to be is that they said yes. Do you deserve more out of life? Yes. Can you achieve the life of your dreams? Yes. Are you going to make a change? Yes. Yes, you can. We can show you how. Take the next step right now.